Okay, boss. Now we'll have to get into text variable, boss. So we've seen characteristic value variable with all the processing type combinations. Now we are getting into text variables. Now why do we use text variables? Now look, exactly. When you want to change the descriptions of your key figure, now for example, you have a key figure, you can edit it. You want to change this description, but I want the description to be made dynamic. Then I would go with what? See, when you create a variable from here, what type of variable is this? Text variable. That is one. So you have new selection, and I want to make the heading of this new selection dynamic. I can go with what? Text variable. Let's say I have new formula. I would like to make the description of this new formula dynamic. Again, I can use what? Text variable. Let's say I have restricted key figure. Okay. I would like to, let's see, you can make this display. Say change. Can I make this dynamic by using text variable? Restricted key figure. Again, calculate key figure. Can I make this description by using text variable? Yeah. And then query properties. I have the description, right? Can I make this description dynamic by using text variable? So in all these 6 cases, you can use text variable. When you want to make the description of a key figure or new selection or new formula, restricted key figure, calculate key figure, query description. In all these cases, we can make the descriptions dynamic by using text variable. But when it comes to characteristic description, I cannot make it. It is fixed. We cannot do anything. Okay? Good. That is where we use text variable. Okay? Okay. You understood now? When do we use text variable now? Yeah. Now text variable comes with 4 processing types. I told you, we know that we have got 5 processing types, but doesn't mean that every variable will not work with every processing type. There is some restrictions, right? So when it comes to text variable, you will have all these 4 processing types: user entry or default, replacement path, customer exit, and SAP exit. I gave some percentage there, which means usability. Generally in the real time, most 80% of the time we would be working with text with replacement path combination, and the next is with customer exit. But user entry or SAP exit, very rare. Okay, that's so our combination important, interview point of view or real time point of view. Okay, boss. Let's finish up one by one. User entry, boss. That's not very simple, nothing to be done, but still. I don't even have a scenario for it also. Very rare case, but let's say now I have this description as sales somewhat, and I would like to change this, make it dynamic. What I'll do? Text variable, see user entry. Enter text ZT001 and processing type manual entry replacement. Which one I will? I'm going with manual entry details, optional ready, and length of, now if since it is text variable, I have to specify length of the input field. So I said text 60. Save. I use this. Now I'm removing this. See, I have the text variable replaced with ampersand, text variable, and ampersand. Then what happens? What are the value given? It gets replaced into that heading of the column. Save this query. I know you will never have this kind of requirement. But it's never a case like this with user editor, but still I'm just showing you. Sales value. And what is the maximum length of string I can enter? 60. So whatever you enter, that comes as heading of the column. Clear? But this is never a case like this. Okay, boss? That's with user entry, boss. Text with user entry. Okay. Next I'm going with what? You want me to save this?